Cleaning just got smarter, cooking made easier, and home life upgraded. From high-tech scrubbers to robotic vacuums, these genius gadgets will transform your daily routine. Stick around to see them in action, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out the links below in the description for all the products. This is the ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer, your ultimate instant read cooking companion. With lightning-fast accuracy, it delivers precise temperatures in just seconds, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. The pop-up meat probe releases at the push of a button, while the bright backlit display makes it easy to read, day or night. Designed for grills, smokers, deep fryers, and even coffee, this compact, foldable thermometer features a magnetic back and hook for quick access. Say goodbye to guesswork. ThermoPro makes precision effortless. This is the YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber, designed to make cleaning effortless. With 3 adjustable speeds, a retractable handle, and 8 brush heads, it tackles dirt in every corner. No bending, no strain. The IPX7 waterproof build and 90-minute battery life keep you scrubbing without interruptions. Plus, the LED display and voice broadcast let you track power and speed in real time. From showers to kitchen tiles, even car wheels, clean faster, easier, and smarter. This is the Gorilla Grip oversized cutting board set, built tough and made to last. Unlike wood, these BPA-free boards won't crack or splinter, and they're dishwasher safe, no maintenance needed. The rubber border keeps them secure while cutting, and deep juice grooves prevent spills. Plus, with 3 sizes, you'll have the perfect board for every meal. Durable, reversible, and slip-resistant. Upgrade your kitchen today. This is the StirMate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3, your hands-free cooking assistant. It self-adjusts to pots 6 to 9 inches wide and sweeps the bottom to prevent burning and scorching. The high-torque motor runs up to 10 hours per charge, and with variable speed control, it stirs everything from soups and sauces to risottos and caramelized onions effortlessly. Plus, it's quiet, powerful, and cordless, making cooking easier than ever. Just set it, let it stir, and enjoy perfectly cooked meals with 0 effort. This is the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, your all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. It delivers incredible suction and sonic mopping at the same time, tackling dirt, dust, and even stuck-on stains. With Matrix Clean technology, it ensures no spots are missed, while Clean Edge Detect blasts away debris from corners and edges. Plus, it's bagless, self-emptying, and holds up to 60 days of debris. No extra bags needed. With HEPA filtration and a self-cleaning brush roll, it's perfect for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. Let Shark handle the mess, so you don't have to. This is the automatic touchless soap dispenser, designed for a cleaner, more hygienic experience. The infrared sensor dispenses soap instantly. No touching, no mess, just hands-free convenience. With 5 adjustable soap levels, you control how much you need, reducing waste. Its large 17-ounce capacity means fewer refills, and the sleek, waterproof design keeps it durable and stylish. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and more. Stay clean, stay safe. Upgrade to touchless convenience today. This is the Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro, your smart window cleaning robot that does the hard work for you. With 2800 PSI suction, it securely attaches to windows so you don't have to. Its dual cross water spray dissolves dirt effortlessly, while WindSlam 3.0 ensures a thorough clean with adaptive path planning. Edge detection makes frameless glass easy, and the 60mm reservoir minimizes refills. Plus, it returns to its starting point when done. Say goodbye to risky, time-consuming window cleaning. Let WinBot do the job for you. This is the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, your effortless way to restore shine to jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and more. 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves create millions of microbubbles, gently lifting dirt from every crevice. No harsh chemicals needed, just tap water for a safe, eco-friendly clean. The digital display lets you choose from 5 cleaning cycles, while the 20-aught stainless steel tank fits multiple items at once. Simple, powerful, and effective. Bring back the sparkle in minutes. This is the Brookstone 24-inch collapsible laundry basket, our largest basket ever with an 11-gallon capacity. Designed for functionality and convenience, it folds flat to just 3 inches, saving space when not in use. The non-slip comfort grip handles make carrying heavy loads easy, while ventilation holes keep laundry fresh. Whether it's for clothes, towels, toys, or pet supplies, this versatile, BPA-free, and easy-to-clean basket is built to handle it all. Strong, spacious, and smartly designed, this is the laundry basket upgrade your home needs. This is the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner, your powerful chemical-free cleaning solution. With a versatile 17-piece kit, it tackles floors, tiles, grout, upholstery, and even cars with ease. The superheated steam breaks down stubborn dirt, grease, and grime, all without harsh chemicals, safe for your home and pets. Its compact, portable design makes maneuvering effortless, while the large tank provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam. For deep, eco-friendly cleaning that works everywhere, Dupre Neat is the perfect choice. This is the bedsheet holder straps, your secret to wrinkle-free, perfectly tucked sheets. With adjustable elastic straps and nickel-plated clamps, these fasteners grip tight without damaging fabric. No more slipping, bunching, or messy sheets, just a smooth, snug fit all night long. Whether for fitted sheets, flat sheets, or mattress covers, these durable, heavy-duty straps keep everything in place. Sleep better, wake up to perfectly neat sheets, every time. This is the original Jokari adjustable baggy rack stand, your kitchen helper that keeps storage bags open and steady while you pour. No more spills, no more mess, just hands-free convenience for meal prep, leftovers, and snacks. Its adjustable arms fit gallon, quart, and sandwich bags, holding them upright and secure for easy filling. Plus, it's not just for pouring, it's great for air-drying washed bags, helping you reuse and save money. Whether you're meal prepping or storing leftovers, this space-saving, time-saving gadget is a must-have for every kitchen. This is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum, your ultimate weapon against pet hair. Its motorized brush tool and 14-volt lithium-ion battery work together to lift embedded dirt and fur with ease. The triple-level filtration boosts cleaning performance, while the large, easy-to-empty dirt bin makes disposal a breeze. Plus, it comes with specialized pet tools for upholstery, crevices, and more. And the best part? Every purchase helps save pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. Powerful, portable, and pet-friendly. Clean smarter today. This is the ADBU over-the-sink dish drying rack, designed to maximize your kitchen space with its expandable height and length. Need more room? Adjust it from 20.6 inch to 34 inches to fit your sink perfectly. The snap-on design makes installation a breeze, while the high-quality metal frame with a black finish ensures durability and style. Before ordering, just check your sink length, 34 inches, and vertical space, at least 30 inches, for a perfect fit. Upgrade your kitchen with this space-saving essential today. This is the Toshiba W2 Window Cleaner Robot, your hands-free solution for spotless glass. AI 3.0 path planning ensures efficient cleaning, while 3D800 PA suction and microfiber pads tackle dirt, smudges, and fingerprints with ease. Choose from multiple cleaning modes, even for high-rise windows. Anti-fall sensors keep it secure, and washable pads make maintenance effortless. Just attach, press start, and let Toshiba do the work. Enjoy crystal-clear windows without the hassle. That's a wrap on today's must-have home gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing finds. Check out the links below in the description to grab yours today. See you in the next one.